Did you get mail? What do you got? What is it?
Money.
What's in your mail? Who's that?
Hey, Money.
Who is that?
Tara.
It's Kara? Give Kara a kiss. Give her a kiss. Who's with Kara? Who's that? Who's that? It's Kara? Who's that? Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. What did you get? Did you get mail? Who's that?
Cheese.
Cheese. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. What's outside?
Digger.
Diggers? Where's your cheese? Where's your digger? You found it? Is that your digger? Where's Ben? Did you say hi to Grandma? Can you say hi to Aunt Nora? Nora. How about Aunt Margaret? Can you say hi to Aunt Margaret? Can you say hi, Margaret? Hang it up. You got it? Can you say hi to Margaret? Send her a kiss. Blow kisses. Say hi, Aunt Nora. Say hi, Dallas. Say hi, Mickey. Say hi, Callie. Say hi, Nora Ann. Say hi, Tommy. Hi, Zach. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Say, what are you doing? Did you decorate? Did you decorate for St. Patty's Day? You got your new shoes? Is that your boots? You got boots? Oh, what's that? A digger? Where did you go with Daddy? Did you go in a car with Daddy? Did you go shopping? What's your name? What's your name? William? William. Say, I love you. Say bye-bye. See you later. Say, see you later. Daddy's home. Say bye. Bye, Grandma. Blow kisses. Blow kisses to Grandma. Say bye. Oh, no. Did they fall over? Can you say bye? Say bye, Susan. Say bye, Susie. Are you going to help Daddy?